Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to rewind your TikTok videos. So to begin with, let's open up the TikTok app. Now tap on the plus sign to create a TikTok video. Here you can record your own video or upload a video from your photo library. In this example, I'll be uploading a video from my photo library. So I'll tap on next and then next again. You'll then enter the editing page of TikTok. Here tap on effects, then tap on time, and then here you should see the option to reverse. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you should see your video play in reverse, including the sound as well. Press save once you're happy with the result. And from here you can customize it more and then post it to TikTok. And there you go, that is how to reverse a video in TikTok. Hope this was helpful to you. And let me know in the comment section down below what other tutorials you would like to see in the future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.